of the pretty rare, very hard to find Midland 78-999 big bass Superbase CB radio. This is Midland's version of the GE Superbase. Same dual board, pretty much same layout as the same GE Superbase. You can pretty much use the same schematics. About the only difference is the cosmetics, and this has more knobs and toys to play with, and looks a lot nicer also. So if you like the GE Superbase, I think you should really like the Midland 78-999. Pretty much the same radio, different company, but with a little bit more knobs to play with, and we think much more cleaner and nicer looking radio. This one here is a super talker. Tried to get a watt meter on top. You can see we're dead keying right at 4 watts. We're going about 13 average on a whistle. Hello. And we're talking about 6-7 watts forward swing average. But what happens when we go peak over here? Hello. It's pinning the guy in the corner there, even on talk. Hello. And if you've seen my other demos of some of the other classic radios I got, you know that this watt meter is very stingy on both peak and average, and that just doesn't happen. Hello. Also looks very clean on the scope. It's probably got a compressor in it. I think it does. It's not clipping the positive peaks, but we are pinning that guy right out on peak. Hello. Also on transmit, let's go USB, which is over here actually. Hello. Going about 20 watts transmit on single sideband. See, it's the AM SSB bass. Hello. Very good radio. Features of this radio: we got the on-air light starting at the left over here. We got the modulation light. We got to go to AM to get some modulation. Hello. And we got the blue receive light. AM, USB, LSB indicators, RF, SWR calibrate. Right now it's on RF, and we can put this guy on SWR over here, and turn this to get it off RF. And right now we're on calibrate. We go to set there and take this out and read SWR. We got about a 1.8 match. And that's about right. I am going into a dummy low, but I got about 5 different meters and scopes and stuff in line, not giving me a flat match. Also, we got the very large LED channel display, the big channel button, 40 channel. AM mode switch, AM upper sideband, lower sideband, dual antenna, AB. You can hook 2 different coax lines to the back of this radio, or coax and dummy load, or however you want to do it. Starting over here, we got the mic. What we have came with this radio is just a Midland original stock hand mic, not amplified. Got good audio out of it, even though I would suggest a bigger mic with it. Audio frequency gain or volume, squelch, clarifier. This radio is unmolested except it has been peaked, audio and volume, so the clarifier is not open, and no extra channels, no switches anywhere. RF gain, mic gain, receive tone control, and PA gain, and a headphone jack on the front of this radio. Also, the switches here, besides the calibrate SWR, we got a noise blanker, and then an automatic noise limiter, separate switches for that, PA, CB switch, high frequency filter that works very well. I was playing with that, and then a dim and bright switch there. This radio, everything works perfect, receives good, doesn't receive great, you know, I would say average receive. It's got very good rejection, but the sensitivity is just average, but the rejection is very good, and the transmit is just excellent with that compressor and that dual board, which it's known for. Looks of this one right here, I would say, are just average. This radio does show wear and tear, you know, if you take a real good look at it, and the cheap quick cam I got would not show that anyway, so we're not even going to show it, and we're not going to go through the receive, but this guy does receive good. No issues, no scratchy pods, all lights, everything works. Just a demo of the very hard to find, pretty rare Midland 78-999, Midland's version of the GE Superbase, and Robin got a big bass, and Cobra 2000 came out with theirs. This is Midland's biggest and baddest that they ever made. Nice 3-window, 3-meter radio with excellent performance here. That's it in a demo.